through the internet today, how would our perception of those objects change? Could we bring production closer and closer to the consumer, regardless of their location and economic status? And will this localization of manufacturing eliminate the need for mass production? What if luggage was obsolete? How would this change our perception for travel? Send your luggage in an email, travel the world unencumbered, and arrive at your destination to find your luggage waiting for you. This future is already within our reach.